What up, family, friends, faithful followers? As promised, the R&R Flomax gold line. I recently found out that this was a gold line, like one of those Envirofan thingies. I dedicate this video to my 5-month anniversary. 5 months ago, I released my first YouTube video with just a phone and a script to follow. Since then, I have hit 40 subs. And it was all thanks to you guys. Thank you all for your support. Please continue to support me to go even beyond 54 subs as of today. Who knows, with this video I may even reach 100 subs. Let's try to make that our goal for this video, but be honest about it. Here's a better view of the brand. Allow me to draw your attention to the 5-speed walk control. Very well, let's get this thing running starting at 1. And here we go. Let's move forward. I'm starting to hear a little bit of noise in the fan and a lot of airflow. And now, maximum power. Okay, let's deactivate this before papers start flying. And that's it. Like, subscribe, follow my 3 rules, click the bell to stay notified, and continue to support me, please. And thank you all for supporting me. Remember, out of honesty, subscribe. Our goal is 100 subs, if we can make it.